a beautifully decorated room with Christmas lights, ornaments, and a tree. Narrator: Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. The most wonderful time of the year is almost here, and today we're diving into 10 amazing Christmas decoration ideas that will make your home sparkle with holiday cheer. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just looking for some festive inspiration, we've got something for everyone. Let's get started. Cut 2. Close-up of a table with various craft supplies. Narrator: First up, let's talk about homemade ornaments. Nothing adds a personal touch to your tree quite like ornaments you make yourself. From salt dough stars to painted pine cones, the options are endless. We'll show you how to create these charming decorations step by step. Cut 2. A family painting ornaments together. Narrator: I love this idea because it's a great way to get the whole family involved in decorating. Plus, these ornaments become cherished keepsakes that you can use year after year. Transition: smooth slide to a cozy living room with a fireplace. Narrator: Next, let's transform your fireplace into a festive focal point with a stunning mantel display. Think garlands, stockings, and even a few twinkling fairy lights. We'll share some creative ideas to make your mantel the highlight of your holiday decor. Cut 2. A mantel decorated with a variety of items, including candles and greenery. Narrator: Add a few scented candles and some fresh greenery, and you'll have a cozy, inviting space perfect for holiday gatherings. Transition: upbeat music plays as the scene changes to a dining table. Narrator: How about elevating your holiday dining experience? Create a beautiful Christmas tablescape with themed napkins, festive centerpieces, and elegant table settings. We'll give you tips on how to set the perfect table for your holiday meals. Cut 2. A beautifully set dining table with a centerpiece. Narrator: A well-set table can truly make your holiday feast feel special, and it's a great way to impress your guests. Transition: quick cut to outdoor decorations. Narrator: Don't forget the outside of your home. We've got some fantastic ideas for outdoor decorations that will make your house the star of the neighborhood. From lit-up pathways to wreaths on the windows, you'll find plenty of inspiration here. Cut 2. A house with festive outdoor lights and decorations. Narrator: Bright lights and cheerful decorations can turn any home into a winter wonderland. Transition: scene changes to a cozy nook with a Christmas tree. We hope these Christmas decoration ideas inspire you to create a festive and magical holiday season in your own home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Happy decorating and see you next time. Outro music fades in. Text on screen. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more holiday tips and ideas.